Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N30 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. If you have some issues with your device and you don't know what to do, the best way to start is to perform a soft reset. So to force restart you have to tap on power button along with volume up button, just hold them together and wait till your device is rebooted. Then release the buttons and wait till your phone is working again. It may take up to 1 minute. Then provide your screen lock pattern and that's it. Now you can use your device again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.